Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate chip cookies with cocoa powder. First, gather your dry ingredients. You'll need 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. Whisk these together thoroughly in a medium bowl to ensure even distribution of the leavening agent and flavor. Next, in a large bowl, cream together 1 cup of softened unsalted butter with 1 cup of granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Then, add half a cup of packed light brown sugar and beat until well combined. Incorporate 2 large eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each addition, followed by 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract for a delightful aroma. Now, slowly add your dry ingredient mixture to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Fold in 2 cups of chocolate chips or your preferred mix-ins, ensuring they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto ungreased baking sheets. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 9 to 11 minutes until the edges are set. Once baked, allow your delicious chocolate chip cookies to cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This helps them firm up before moving. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. For optimal freshness, store your cooled cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.